Are you excited tonight, 18? Before anything else, welcome to our live sound check and please enjoy the rest of the songs. But before anything else, kamusta mga kababayan? Siguro gusto niyo marinig magsalita bawat isa, tama? Everyone, if you want to say something.
Yeah, hi guys! Who here are the first timers? Who here are first timers? Oh, that's a lot. Who here are from the Philippines? And who here are from Singapore? Oh, nice. Thank you so much for coming today.
You know what, guys? This is one of the venues na may malaking capacity outside the Philippines. So I'm expecting more energy. Since there are more people, more energy, and more fun for you guys.
Yeah. What is up, Singapore? What is up, 18? Excited na ba kayo? Alam niyo, napansin ko, napaka-behave niyo lahat dito. You guys are all sitting down, enjoying the show, enjoying this exclusive sound check. But later on, I want you all to party us with us, ha? So yun, gusto ko lang sabihin for our next song, tataasan natin ng konti. Sumabay kayo, okay ba yun? Ang hina naman ng energy. Okay ba yun? And for our next songs, here's 8 on Ball.